Our research is translational research, and what that basically means is that we're looking for new therapies for different types of cancer, blood cancer. And in particular, one of our projects is focusing on Burkitt's lymphoma, which is a malignancy of children. Now, there's different forms of Burkitt's lymphoma, one called endemic, which is the one that occurs in Africa, and accounts for 50% of all childhood cancers in that part of the world. So it occurs predominantly in small children, and the peak age is between 3 to 8 years old. And it's one of the fastest growing tumours known to man. So it can actually double in size approximately every 48 hours. And because the tumour divides so rapidly, it's actually incredibly sensitive to chemotherapy, which is why we're very good at treating it in the Western world, in the developed world. But in Africa, the problem is that the chemotherapy is too expensive and we can't manage the side effects of the chemotherapy. So what we need in Africa is therapies which are effective but non-toxic. The people on the ground out there have done a fantastic job of modifying chemotherapy protocols in such a way that we have seen some improvements in survival in these children. But it's still not enough. 50% of these children don't make it. So therefore we still need to improve the treatment options that we can give to them, and this is where the donations come in. So we are looking to raise funds to be able to do the clinical trial and test our compounds out there in conjunction with the best therapies that they have available currently. I think as a developed nation, as a developed country, we have a responsibility to people who are less fortunate to ourselves. And as cancer researchers, we also have that responsibility to those people. Now, we are doing research which may well make a huge impact, not just to children in Africa, but also children and people who get Burkitt's lymphoma in the developed world as well. We need better therapies for these children, and this is where your donation can make a huge difference.